What's going on, YouTubers? Welcome back to Spark Your Life. My name is Ben Sparks, and we just finished our first week with our property. And I hope if you guys haven't seen it yet, please subscribe, make comments, smash the like button, all that jazz, and go and watch those other videos of some of the time lapses we've done renovating this house. It's been 1 week, and we already went through 5 dumpsters of garbage and drywall and insulation. We've ripped it down to the studs, completely down to the studs. There is nothing left in that house but wood. And I'm super excited, and I was talking to some rental companies out there, and we're getting some heavy equipment. We're going to get a skid steer and a lift, and hopefully, I don't know if it's going to happen yet, but we're trying to get a wood chipper. And I've got a buddy with a Bobcat who just loves to go for a ride. So I'm going to hopefully have a couple more buddies, and this weekend we're going to get some heavy equipment out there, and we're going to really clean up the yard, because I don't really think I've talked about it much in those last videos, but if you look at the yard, there's trees everywhere. Everything's overgrown. Half of it's dead, and it is just not great. So we're really going to keep a few perimeter trees, and then we're going to cut down all the dead stuff, all the vines. There's just massive bushels of vine and twigs and stuff that we just got to get rid of and throw away. So I really appreciate you guys watching over this last week, and I'm really excited for this next weekend and how things are going. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Ben Sparks. This is Spark Your Life. I'll see you next time. So I did just want to add, because I remember in one of the first videos, I went back and watched it, and I remember that I talked about the more you guys subscribe and the more you guys comment and like on this channel, we can try to get my old man, my dad, in on these videos. I hope you guys enjoyed the first video. It's called The Interview, and I said if we could get more and more people to subscribe and like, I can get him in on the video. You guys probably saw him on a time lapse, but he wasn't really he didn't really have a part. He was just working, and it was just during a time lapse, so he didn't really have like an acting role in it, which is kind of a drag. He's a super funny guy. He's an awesome person, and I know you guys all love him. So if you could subscribe, hit the like button, place comments, let me know, and the more you guys do, the more I can try to convince them to be in on it. Last night we were working on cleaning up more of the house, and I feel so bad for him. He was taking out part of this wall, and a 2x4 actually fell and hit him on the head. An hour later, he was ripping out some of the drywall in the stairwell, and he slipped on a squirrel nut, and he slid down the stairs. I shouldn't be laughing because it hurt. And just like a washboard, he slid right down the stairs. And then within 20 minutes later, he pulled me over to start talking to me about tearing down another wall to another bedroom. And I went like this with my hands, and I had a hammer in one hand and a claw hammer and a pry bar in the other. I went like this with my hands, and when I went like that, I smacked his funny bone and smacked his elbow with the pry bar. So I was not laughing when it happened, but I'm laughing now because I was texting my girlfriend, and she said, I was like, oh, my dad's really sore today. We're not going to work on the house today. Or he's not going to work on the house today because he's really, really sore because he hurt himself last night. She goes, oh my gosh, what happened? And I literally felt, and I know I'm an old soul, but I literally felt like I was writing a script to a Three Stooges episode, literally. And so while I was texting her, I couldn't help but laugh, saying well, first he smacked himself in the head with a 2x4, then he slid down the stairs on his back, and then Larry went over and whacked him with a pry bar, and I literally felt like I was writing the script to a Three Stooges episode. And after all was said and done, he came up the stairs and smacked me in the face. What did they say? I can't even think about what they say right now. Wise guy, huh? So anyway, I love the Three Stooges. I used to watch it all the time. If it still comes out, I'll still watch it. It's hilarious. I know it doesn't even make any sense, and a lot of it's really dumb and really stupid, but it's just funny comedy, and I love watching it. So I'd really like to get him in on these videos, and I think he'd love it, and I think it would be, I love doing father-son stuff with my dad. I think he'd love doing it, and I really want him to be a part. So subscribe, smash the like button, make comments, and I know you'd love watching him, and he's super funny, and I'd love for him to be on these videos as well. So thanks so much for watching Spark Your Life. I'll see you next time.